Hello and welcome to this video. In this lecture, I am going to show you how people are making viral collectible style 3D figurines using the powerful Nano banana model. Now let's head over to Google AI Studio. Once you are in, you need to select the Nano banana model. Click here. The first thing we will do is upload our reference photo. Use the image upload option to upload your photo so the model knows exactly whose face we want to turn into a figurine. Now for the most important part, the prompt. A well-crafted prompt is the secret to getting that specific high-quality figurine look. Here is the exact base prompt that consistently delivers great results. I will provide the prompt in the resource section, so check this out. So here is the prompt. Create a 1:7 scale commercialized figurine of the characters in the picture in a realistic style in a real environment. The figurine is placed on a computer desk. The figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base with no text on the base. The content on the computer screen is a 3D modeling process of this figurine. Next to the computer screen is a toy packaging box designed in a style reminiscent of high-quality collectible figures printed with original artworks. So that is my prompt. So let's break this down. We are asking for a 1:7 scale commercialized figurine. This tells the model the style we want. We specify the setting on a computer desk. We define the details of the base, a round transparent acrylic base with no text on the base. And we add two amazing elements that sell the realism, the computer screen showing the 3D modeling process and the collectible style packaging box. So now go ahead and click run. Brilliant. Now that we have our stunning 3D figurine image, let's bring it to life with a dynamic video for social media like TikTok, YouTube Shorts. We are going to use a fantastic AI video generation tool called Pixburst AI. First head over to Pixburst AI website. But before that, let me download the photo. Now head back to Pixburst. Look for the generate video option. Click here. Now let's upload our figurine image. Click on the image icon to upload the polished figurine shot we created earlier with Google AI Studio. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to prompt Pixburst on how to animate it. This is where we tell the Pixburst what kind of camera movement, effects or animation we want. The goal is to make our static image feel dynamic and engaging. Here's a great prompt to get started. A slow cinematic motion shot on the 3D figurines of the character on a desk with a subtle left to right pan, soft rim lighting, shallow depth of field and a light upward tilt at the end. The focus is sharp on the figurine with the background gently blurred. Add a very subtle dust particle effect. So before you hit create, head back to the left hand panel and select duration. I will select 5 seconds as it is, and the resolution I will select 540 pixel, and all of the other options I will keep same. Once everything looks good, click create and let Pixburst do its magic. In a few moments you will have a stunning animated video. And there you have it. Not only you have learned how to transform a simple portrait into a fantastic AI generated 3D figurines, but you have also mastered the art of bringing it to life with an AI-powered animation tool like Pixburst. We can add more animation by providing the prompt, like someone grabbing the 3D figurines. Hit create. It will cost you 30 credits. Fantastic. As you can see, someone is grabbing the 3D figurines. Now your task is to go ahead to Google AI Studio and generate your 3D figurines. I will provide the prompt and head back to Pixburst and animate your 3D figurines. Thank you so much for joining this video. Have a good time.